The Samsung Tab S10 Ultra has been released. To make the most of this device, it's essential to have the right accessories. In this video, we'll show you 5 crucial accessories for the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. These accessories can enhance your experience whether you use the tablet for work, entertainment, or creative activities. They can help boost productivity and protect your device. Enjoy! The Samsung Galaxy Book Cover Keyboard is more than just a case. It's a full-featured productivity tool. It has a sleek, slim design and turns the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra into a mini laptop. The full-size keyboard is responsive and tactile, and the backlit keys are great for working in low light. The built-in touchpad works like a laptop, making navigation smooth. It's also compatible with Samsung DeX so that you can switch between tablet mode and a full desktop experience. This makes multitasking easy, whether you're writing emails, working on documents, or presenting. The cover offers flexible viewing angles for typing or watching media and provides solid protection for the tablet with a durable, lightweight design. The Galaxy Book Cover Keyboard is essential for maximizing the versatility of the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, seamlessly merging protection and functionality. A tablet accessory lineup would only be complete with the Samsung S Pen. The stylus is great for artists and note-takers. It provides precise control and feels natural to use. The S Pen has a 9 milliseconds latency, giving a real pen-like experience for sketching, drawing, or taking quick notes. It's ideal for creatives using apps like Adobe Photoshop or professionals using Samsung Notes for work tasks. The S Pen attaches magnetically and charges wirelessly from the back of the tablet, so it's always ready to use. Additionally, air gesture controls let you navigate presentations, take photos, and control media remotely without touching the tablet. These features make the S Pen an invaluable tool for presentations and media playback. Whether you're sketching or annotating documents, the S Pen adds a new level of productivity and creativity to the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. The Spigen Rugged Armor Pro case is designed for users who need serious protection for their Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. This case provides robust protection with its durable, shock-absorbent TPU material, ensuring your tablet is safe from drops, bumps, and scratches. It also features raised edges to protect the screen and camera, adding another layer of defense. What sets this case apart is its integrated S Pen holder, which securely stores the stylus when not in use. The Rugged Armor Pro case has a sleek design that doesn't add bulk, maintaining the slim profile of the tablet while offering excellent grip. It also includes a kickstand, allowing for comfortable hands-free viewing, whether you're watching videos or attending video calls. This case is perfect for those who want maximum protection without sacrificing style or functionality. The Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 is an excellent audio companion for the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. These wireless earbuds feature outstanding active noise cancellation, making them perfect for people who need to focus while working or want to enjoy an immersive media experience. With their enhanced sound quality, you can enjoy crisp highs, rich mids, and deep bass whether you're watching movies, listening to music, or participating in video calls. The Galaxy Buds 3 offers seamless integration with the Samsung ecosystem, allowing for quick switching between the Tab S10 Ultra and other Galaxy devices, such as your phone or smartwatch. The battery life is impressive, with several hours of playback, and wireless charging makes powering them up a breeze. They're designed for comfort, with a snug fit that makes them perfect for extended use, whether at home, the office, or on the go. For Galaxy users who own multiple devices, the Samsung Wireless Charger Trio is an indispensable accessory. This convenient charger enables simultaneous charging of up to 3 devices, catering to the needs of individuals leading busy, interconnected lives. Whether you need to charge your Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, Galaxy Buds, or smartphone, this charger ensures fast and efficient wireless charging. The Wireless Charger Trio boasts a sleek design that seamlessly integrates into any workspace or home setup, effectively minimizing clutter with its uncomplicated, flat layout. Its capability to charge multiple devices at once is ideal for simplifying your charging routine, ensuring you always have power at your disposal. Furthermore, being Qi certified guarantees compatibility with other wireless charging devices. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments which accessory you're excited about, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.